Think getting the baby shark pin in Brawl Stars is harder than dodging a Darrow rolling at you. Think again. I'm about to break down the easiest way to snag this exclusive cosmetic. First, head straight to the news section in Brawl Stars. This is where Supercell drops all the juicy details about events and promotions. Tap on it to open it up. Next, look for the article about the Brawl Stars and Baby Shark collaboration. Scroll through it carefully, paying close attention to any mentions of pin giveaways or challenges. Typically, the method to acquire the pin will be located within this article. Usually, you'll need to complete a simple challenge, such as playing a certain number of matches with a specific brawler. In this hypothetical case, let's say the challenge is to play 3 games using Shelly. Now, select Shelly as your brawler. Make sure you're using Shelly in your matches, otherwise, your progress won't count towards unlocking the pin. Play and win or even just participate in those games. Keep an eye on the challenge progress bar, which often shows up after each match. Finally, once you complete the challenge, the baby shark pin will automatically unlock. You can find it in your pin collection and equip it to show off your fantastic achievement to all your opponents. Enjoy!